All right, folks, back with back. We're at Bermont Sporting Clays here in Charlotte County, South Florida. And we just shot a couple stations, just getting going. It's been fun. Been trying to give a little instruction to some newbies. And we're going to move on to the next course, our next station. And we're just relaxing, burning some gunpowder. Behind it.
Okay. Alright.
Try to get him right there, right at the top. There you go. Hey, busted that crap out of it. Alright, let's do him again.
Alright, cool. Did I see a little piece fly off of that?
No, you seen the wad.
Just the wad?
Still, you're up trigger. It gets right there at the top of his plate. You can just aim right at him and shoot.
Alright, cool.
Definitely you have to shoot underneath it. Alright, we're gonna try him again.
Oh.
There you go.
Hey!
I'm gonna do them on report this time, 1 and then 2. So shoot that one and try to find look high for this one. Okay.
Okay. Pull.
Here we go. I'm dropping in.
I am not ready
That's
for
a
this.
chandelle right there. That ain't no easy targets right
No,
there.
it's not.
Just try the B bird. I don't even know if I can hit that A bird, the first one.
B-bird, it comes
Hey.
right from left to right.
That's the one that drops in here, black face. Okay.
Okay.
Let's try him because that one way out there down there. Start up high now.
Oh,
Here he comes. Gotta be way below him. You need to be that far below him at a 45-degree angle. Okay?
Yeah.
You gotta check his flight coming down and be that far, like maybe 6 feet off the front.
okay. Pull.
Hey, there you go. You were shooting behind him the first couple times.
Yeah, I sure was.
Immediately go up and start looking for yellow.
Pull.
Man, if you almost had to shoot it backwards. I'm gonna do this like, no, you're out.
So, yeah, I kind of waited for it in my ambush.
Try to ambush. I got the pair.
Take the next right to stay on Hibiscus Drive, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
Best friend in the whole wide world got me this USMC K-bar right here. Now that's a knife, right? So everybody says this discussion about how YouTube says you need to get this coconut open, all right? So they say, you know, put nails in the eyeballs and all that crap all over. We're gonna take our marine K-bar and we're just gonna drill a damn hole in it. And this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna put it down here where I can kind of position it against the sink, and I'm gonna put that K-bar in there. We're gonna twist. Now you don't want to do this with just like any old weak ass knife, all right? This is USMC K-bar. All right, you see, you already see the flesh right there from the coconut. Tap that off. I'm just gonna keep drilling it. This is real American steel. If I told you it was easy, it ain't. But you can keep twisting that knife. I'm starting to break through now. Alright. Try to do this safely, guys. See the hole all the way through?
Alright. The hole to the camera, 'cause I don't think the camera's
See the hole? There's the hole. Now we could shake it out right now. It'll come out better if you want to drill another hole to make an air hole so that it'll come back in. But let's give it a shot and see how it does just with one hole. So we're going to go right here in the bowl. Alright. As long as you shake it, it'll let enough air in there to basically get the coconut water out. And that's going to be delicious. Because this came right off the tree right here in the yard. So shake it all out.
Free stuff.
Huh?
Free stuff.
Free coconut, can't beat that. And fresh. So we're gonna get the damn water out of it first, and everybody can enjoy some of the fresh coconut water. And then a little while later, we're gonna get out our camp axe, and we're gonna crack this bad boy, and we'll eat the middle. Pretty
a
full.
lot of water.
Pretty full.
That's like a good pint of water. Cup and a half, maybe. A lot.
Alright. It's empty. There you go. Coconut versus K-bar. Winner, K-bar.
Okay.
Oh, no, you're not.
Only showing
Stop! You're not doing that.
I'm only showing your hands.
That's gonna be
I don't
the funniest
care.
video
Put
ever.
that thing
Okay.
down. No.
Everybody that always asks, this is why Mrs. Backwoods is never on the channel.
No, no.